Assalamualaikum, welcome to All Solution 1 channel, and here we are with 9th class chemistry practical experiment number 2 according to the Board of Secondary Education Karachi. And the object of this experiment is to separate iron filling, sand and alum from their mixture. First we have to know what is mixture. Mixture is the combination of two or more than two substances combined physically in variable ratio or in any ratio. Mixture can be of two types, homogeneous and heterogeneous. Homogeneous, the mixture whose composition is same throughout the mixture is known as homogeneous mixture. Hetero means different, so the mixture in which the composition of the component is not same throughout the mixture is called heterogeneous mixture. Now, characteristics of mixture. The substance in a mixture can be separated using physical methods such as filtration, freezing, distillation, evaporation, crystallization, chromatography, and on. There is little or no energy change when a mixture is formed. Mixture have variable compositions while compounds have a fixed or definite formula. This is the difference between a mixture and a compound. Now, separation of mixture component. In this experiment, we have been provided the mixture with three components, that is iron fillings, sand and alum or potash alum. First, we have to know the nature of the component, then we will choose the technique to separate out. Okay, the first component is iron fillings, that is iron, and the formula of iron is Fe. We know that iron is magnetic in nature, so it can be separated out by using magnet. Now, the second component is silica oxide or sand. Formula is SiO2. We know that silica oxide or sand is insoluble in water, so for insoluble substances we use filtration technique. Okay, now the third or the last component is alum or potash alum, and the formula is K2SO4 Al2SO4 trice dot 24H2O. This 24H2O is water of crystallization, and alum is soluble in water. The substance which is soluble in water or other solvent can be separated out by using evaporation technique. Got it? Now, come to the experiment. For this experiment, we will use the following apparatus, that is bar magnet, beaker, glass rod, evaporating dish, tripod stand, filtration stand, wire gauze, spatula, sprit lamp or Bunsen burner. Chemicals. The chemicals are going to be used are iron fillings, sand, alum and water. The first step of this experiment is, first we will take the mixture on a piece of paper and spread the mixture of iron filling, sand and alum evenly in the form of a thin layer. Okay? Then we will place another sheet of paper over the mixture, and then we will use a powerful magnet over the paper and then lift. Some iron fillings will cling to the paper. If we remove the magnet from the paper, the iron fillings will fall down. We will repeat this process till all the iron fillings are removed. Now, iron is separated from the mixture. Now, what we are left with alum and sand. Now, this mixture of alum and sand is dissolved in a small quantity of water in a beaker. We will use the stirrer to dissolve alum completely. Now, the first step is filtration. For this purpose, we will take a circular disc of filter paper. Then we will fold this disc such that the 3 folds on one side and 1 fold on the other side. In this way that a paper cone is formed. Now the funnel is moist with water, and then we will insert the filter paper cone in the cavity of the funnel. Now we will set the filtration assembly in this manner that the clamp of the funnel in an iron stand and place a beaker under its stem such that the wall of the beaker is in contact with the stem of the funnel. Now we will pour the mixture, solution of the mixture in the funnel from the side. In this way, the sand is separated as residue on filter paper while the alum and water is passed through the filter paper and collected in a beaker in the form of a clear solution. This is called filtrate. Now take small amount of this filtrate in a china dish. Now place china dish on wire gauze which is already placed on tripod stand. Heat gently such that water evaporates but does not boil. Continue heating till liquid completely evaporates and you will get the crystals of potash alum. Now all of your 3 components are separated. Result of your experiment is iron is separated by a magnet, sand is separated by filtration technique, and alum is separated by evaporation and crystallization from their mixture. Hope you understand the experiment. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel, All Solution One channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. This is Sumaira Lateef signing off. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take good care of yourself and remember us in your